In this video, we will demonstrate the correct installation of a shield expansion anchor intended for use in concrete and in diameters up to M12 for brickwork, not perforated bricks and dense stone. They should not be used in lightweight blockwork. In the case of masonry of unknown strength, preliminary tests should be carried out to check suitability and determine allowable loads. Ensure that the anchor to be installed is the exact type specified and carries a European Technical Assessment, or ETA. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions as detailed on the packaging and always wear the appropriate PPE. Make sure you have the correct tools for the installation, as shown here. Only use drill bits which carry the PGM mark of quality assurance. This will ensure that the drill bit diameter is manufactured to specified controlled dimension. Start by drilling the hole to the correct diameter and depth. Thoroughly clean the hole by brushing and blowing to ensure that the drilling debris is removed from the hole. Insert the shield anchor into the hole and position the fixture. Insert the hexagon bolt or nut and tighten to the manufacturer's specified torque. This will ensure the required clamping force is induced and protect the bolt material from being overstressed. Always check the anchor for compliance. Drill to the correct diameter and depth. Blow and brush any remaining drilling debris out of the hole. Tighten to the manufacturer's specified torque. This video is a guide only, so be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions during installation. You can find more demonstrations just like this one on our website, the-cfa.co.uk, as well as method statements and technical advice and documentation.